These young fellows are Johannes and Jussi. They had a dream of their own rock band, and they worked so hard to make that dream come true. This is Tomi, and this is Vello. Together these four young men ran Groke's clan for almost a decade. Despite all their determination and perseverance, the world was not ready for their breakthrough. They knew they had to change something.
Kyllähän poikien kehityskaari oli lähtenyt laskusuuntaan. Köntä Janne liityttyä bändiin en odottanut kyllä enää yhtään mitään. Petyin silti.
But still, they weren't complete yet.
Tai joku sun salajuoni.